Hey, so today I want to show you guys how to create a beach waves in C4D using this displacer. So let's get started. First of all, let me create a simple cube. Let's change its dimensions on the x, on the size on the x. Let's change it to 400, and also y, make it 400. Sorry, not y, it's z, and y 70, and the segments 400. On the Z 500, let's also make it also 500 and check on this fillet, increase the radius, okay, like that. Let's give it some divisions. Okay, come over to deformer, displacer, put under the cube, come over to displacer, go to object, change the direction from vertex normal to planar, plus Y, come over to shading, select noise, dive inside the noise, change the noise to wavy turbulence, and also make it 6. Change the global scale to 50. Okay, come over. Not 50%, make it 350. Okay, we get those waves. Come back and create a new camera, lock it, creating on that geometry its plane, increase its size, place down below, come over to render settings, make sure that you have ambient occlusion no scene, so create a physical sky. Okay, now it's time to create a material. Double click on the material tab, dive inside the material, uncheck the color and reflectance, click on the transparency, change the reflection preset to water, increase the refraction, change the color to blue, really dark blue. Now apply the material to our waves, and that's it. We're almost done. Before give it a render, let's come over to this material. This side, change it to font. Now render. So we'll be back when the render is finished. So guys, the render has finished. So you can see it's somewhat realistic. You can get more realistic look by adjusting some light settings and some render settings. So that's it, guys. That's how you can create a realistic water waves or beach wave or waves in C4D. Alright guys, I will back with another tutorial. Ask me any tutorial if you want in the comment section down below. I'll see you guys next time.